Hi everyone, my name is Andy Ui. I'm the product manager for the datacom industry with Keysight Technologies. This video provides a high-level introduction to Keysight 800G solutions and offers, followed by an introduction to Keysight's newest 100G electrical receiver test solution for IEEE 802.3ck standard. Keysight 800G solution is the industry first and only complete solution which includes simulation, validation, conformance, as well as manufacturing tests. If you look at the Keysight Datacom portfolio as a whole, we offer a fairly broad set of solutions here to address the 800G design cycle. We have the simulation tools on the modeling portfolio all the way to the higher level protocol testing. However, in this particular session, I'm excited to cover the conformance test solution for the receiver, accommodating the 100G aggregated speed for the electrical interface, Keysight latest electrical receiver test application for IEEE 802.3ck standard. Keysight 100G receiver test application is designed and developed to assist and simplify the stress signal calibration used for testing the inputs of chip-to-chip and chip-to-module electrical interfaces. For the supported hardware, it consists of Keysight M8040 bit error rate tester and Keysight N1000 plus N1060 DCA sampling oscilloscope. Nevertheless, there will be more new hardware supports lined up in future developments. This is one of the examples of instrument setup for the stress eye calibration. The stress signals defined by the standard are generated by the M8040 bit error rate tester that connects to the sampling oscilloscope through the channel, which is the module compliance board MCB and host compliance board HCB. The sampling scope is mainly used for the transmitter characterization and stress signal calibration. So why do we require to perform the receiver testing? In fact, the purpose of receiver testing is to ensure that the chips that you are developing or inserting into your system will work with any compliant transmitters on the other side. This is very crucial, especially for the system integrators, to ensure the interoperability of the receiver by testing against the worst possible combination of compliant transmitter and compliant channel. In another word, we take into the consideration of worst possible eyes that could be measured on the receiver side. There are two main stress methods for the electrical receiver test. The first one is the stress eye method, where the idea is to generate the worst possible electrical eye and stress the receiver with this eye. The second method is the channel operating margin, or what we call the COM method. The COM method means that the receiver is supposed to operate under a certain level of operating margin and accommodate with it. The COM will utilize the adaptive equalizers to accommodate a wide range of impairment combination of crosstalk, jitter, or random noise. These are the two types of receiver test method used between the chip-to-chip and chip-to-module interfaces. The chip-to-chip interface is based on the channel operating margin. On the other hand, the chip-to-module is based on another test method, which is the receiver stress eye method, where the worst signal defined by the standard are generated by the M8040 bit error rate tester and then calibrated by the DCA sampling scope before applied to the DUT. In summary, the app provides the value in reducing both the errors and user interaction to a minimum by performing all the required calibration routines and conformance testing automatically that comply with 802.3ck standard. Besides, you have the flexibility to go beyond the standard and customize the test parameters through the debug mode. Before we end this session, I just want to reiterate that Keysight Technology is the first test and measurement company that offers both transmitter and receiver 100G conformance test solution that help you with unprecedented time saving and result reliability. We at Keysight will be happy to discuss any stage of your 800G design cycle, be the development or conformance testing. For more information, visit our web pages at the links below to discover how Keysight could help optimize your 800G design margins. If you have any question or require additional assistance, reach out to your Keysight representatives and they will be happy to help you. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Goodbye for now.